Incremental greetings, welcome to Browser Learning. I'm William Palau, also known as William Palace. Today, I want to share something with you that if you're using Tickles collection may be useful. It's slightly detailed, but it's for consistency. You may notice that you have Advanced English, then the grammar branch, and so on, right? But inside the Advanced English, then Culture and History, you have grammar. About 1500 elements that are grammar. But even though it's centered on the structure, I will leave those untouched. But what about that? This, as you can see, is consistent because it's using the gram and dot, which means it's a grammar card, a grammar item. So what I will do now is changing the template for those items.
I live on the 12th floor.
This one. But I want to do this on bulk. So click on grammar. Now to open the browser is Control Space. So now that I have the browser, if I click on search, Alt F or F3, and I put gram and colon, I always have this error. I do not know if this has been fixed, and if it's consistent, but I am always getting this error. So what I will do instead is first do the search without opening the branch in the browser. So now I will have the entire collection.
I wouldn't dare.
So that's the entire collection that has gram and colon at the beginning. So you see that we are filtering everything. So those already have the template. But it doesn't matter if we have false positives, because if we apply the same, we try to apply the same template, Supermemo will do nothing. So now, click here, apply template to all elements in the browser, select the grammar, this one, and accept. Apply to all. As you can see, there are 3,230 elements, but only 657 have been converted. That's what I wanted to try in the browser, to filter in the browser, but I always get the error. So now all the gram and colon items have the new template, grammar.
Cases.
But not this one. Why? Because this doesn't have it. So I still prefer to have this template, the default template, even though if it's under grammar. And yeah, it's related to grammar and so on, but for now I only want those.
Monica was born under Sagittarius.
If you want also those, you can go and click on the branch, Control Space to summon the browser, click to filter only items in the browser,
in spite of,
and then apply template and the grammar. Say yes. So now we have 917 more cards, more items. So now it doesn't matter if it's just, for instance, here that it's opposite, there's no gram colon in the item. We still have the grammar template. The reason for that is because it's on the grammar branch. So it's semantically related to grammar, even though it's not using explicitly the grammar convention. So it's up to you if you want to use just those, the gram, or all of them. And also you can move that. Even if you want to update the collection at the next release, you can move the branches, because the IDs will be the same. The element numbers are the same. We're just putting things on a different place. So now, let's say that I want to move the grammar branch. So right click and select on move, which is Ctrl-Shift-V. Now I will select the main branch of grammar and enter. That's pretty much it for today. So hope this has been useful and see you next time.